Next, ano natin yung kulayan. Shift. And then, fill. Kore na lang ko, no? Kore.
見えんわそんなの字は。
見えないかな。So, change.
もっとバックする。もっと見や
Back.
すい。もっと見やすいようにしなさ
Okay, and then, this one.
い。もっとした。うん。ちょっと手がついたらいいんだ。
So. And then, this one also. Fuse natin yung cells. Okay. Shift. And then, this. Okay, so wala na siya, no?
書式設定。
And then, Shusike, right click. 0 no?
書式設定。
Okay, 0 no, Shusike setting, format cells. And then, slash. Then, click OK. Did it. So, here, we will put a star. Star. Type ka na ng ano, Hushi. Hushi. Type Hushi. Ayan. Here. Okay, so may star na. Or, delete natin. You can, no. You can use Sunyu. Insert. Tapos Kigo. Symbols. And then you can choose lots of here. But takes time. So you can just simply, yun lang, mag-enter ka na lang Hushi, star, tapos mag-appear na yan. So, one more time. Hushi. Shi. Andyan na. Lumabas na siya. So, there. So, it's easy. So, how to delete this line? Mag-copy tayo dito kasi wala man yung linya. So, like that. Shift and that one. So, copy natin. Here siya. And paste. Wala nang line.